Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add reading list in Notion. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So when you click on Notion, you will see an interface like this. You will see a number of options here and you will be able to see clearly an option called reading list. Notion has already made it for you, so you don't need to make one, and I'm going to show you how you can add a reading list. Okay, so you need to scroll down. Okay, so it is showing me number of books that I have read or in progress or not started yet. And if you want to know how you can add a book from here, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so simply click on new. Now you can write the name of the book here. I'm just going to write, okay, atomic. Okay, so you need to write the name of the book here. You need to write the name of the author. This is all optional, but if you want to be specific, you can add a link here. You can add a score here, that how much you want to score that book. I'm going to rate it 4-star. And from here you can write till when you will finish the book. You can write the end date. You can include the time from here. Okay, I am status, you can put it in progress, or you can put it as done or not started yet. I will click on not started yet. And from type, you can choose any type from here. I'm going to type a book. Okay, so as you can see, just close it, and there you go. We have added a book in the reading list. Okay, so that's how you can edit your editing list. You can add your reading list from here. You can add books, you can write articles, you can add also films and TV, and from here you can choose, you can see your finished list, how many books have you finished. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.